Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I am going to show you how to create this eye makeup look using a very inexpensive palette, which you probably have already seen in the title. I absolutely love how the eye look turned out. It's actually such a classic glam look, which you can wear for every day, for a special occasion, for bridal makeup. I really like it, and it's not even that complicated. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids. You can use any primer that you like. Also today I did something special with my hair, so you can see the rollers. It's kind of made my hair really wild, so you can still see like some baby hairs everywhere, but just so you know, that's because I was having all these curlers in my hair. So this is the palette I'm going to use. It's from Essence. It's the brown edition palette. I'm going to start with this light orangey brown color, and I'm going to start blending this in my outer V area, kind of making circular motions. For this eye look, I want to focus mainly in this particular place that I'm placing the eyeshadow right now, because I kind of want to create a smoky effect in this area and keep the inner portion of my eyelids a little bit lighter. This is my favorite eye look at the moment. It kind of changes every year or every month what kind of eye looks I like to do, but this is my favorite at the moment because I think it just suits my eye shape very well. I don't know, just every time when I wear an eye look like this, it just looks really good on me for some reason, so maybe it just looks good on my eye shape. I have no idea. But this is also a really nice eye look for if you have hooded eyes, because when you have hooded eyes, you have less eyelid. Well, I shouldn't say eyelid, you have less eyelid that looks visible. So what you want to do is blend up the brown eyeshadow a bit higher so you can still see it. So this would be a really nice eye look for you guys to try. So definitely let me know if you're going to try it. So now I'm going in with a dark brown color and blend this right on top of where I just applied the lighter brown color. I'm just kind of doing the same, but trying to keep it a little bit lower so you can still see that previous color I used peeking right above it. So just take your time with this. I like to go slow and just use a little bit of product, and then if I want more, I can also always go back in with more product. I always say this in my videos. This way it's harder to make a mistake because you can always go in with a little bit more, but if you have already used too much, it's harder to fix it because you cannot really remove eyeshadow. Well, you maybe could make it look softer when, for example, you would use a brush with no product on it, and you could maybe make it appear a bit softer, but it's harder to fix. So try to avoid it by using less product and just keep adding a little bit more by time by time. So of course, everything I'm doing at one side, I always do at the other side as well. And then I use my finger to apply this light shimmery color. I'm trying to keep it mainly at the inner portion of the eyelid, but also softly applying a little bit on top of the center, so this eyeshadow nicely fades into the matte shades right next to it. So now I'm going to use a eyeliner brush using that dark brown shade again, which I used earlier for the outer V. I used a wet brush, so you can use a little bit of setting spray, or you can also use some water on your brush, and this will intensify the eyeshadow by making it darker. So I wanted to use this for my eyeliner today. You can also skip this part if you're not a fan of eyeliner, but I really like it. And this is how it looks so far. Not bad, right? For a palette which is so inexpensive. So now I'm going to use that dark brown shade again, using a flat diviner brush from Sigma Beauty, blending this right underneath the lower lash line. And I just really like how everything is looking so far. I really believe that it doesn't really matter what the quality of a palette is, as long as you have good brushes and of course use good techniques. Of course, I mean, the quality of a palette is still important, but it's definitely not the most important thing. So if I would give you guys advice, invest in some good brushes, try to learn some new techniques, and I'm sure with the palettes that you already have at home, you can create some really stunning eye looks. It's not always wanting to have a new palette to make your eye looks even better. I think it's more important to invest in some really good brushes. If you guys want an updated video where I show you all my favorite brushes, definitely let me know if you are interested. So I'm blending that dark brown shade underneath the lower lash line and now blending it out using a lighter brown color and just sweeping my brush back and forth. And what you also saw me doing is use a pencil for the waterline, which was a really beautiful brown color by Makeup by Mario. Such a gorgeous shade which will really pop your eye color. What I dupe is the Morphe Vibes pencil, which I think is only $3 or something. So it's a lot more inexpensive, but the color is really similar. So I'm going to use this color for the inner corner of my eye, same shade as I used on the eyelid. And then it's time to curl the lashes. I always do this before going in with mascara, and I use the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is my favorite drugstore mascara. Now, if you recreate this makeup look, of course, you can only wear mascara and skip the fake lashes, but I personally love fake lashes. So for today's eye look, I am going to add some of my Annytude Baddie lashes. I will put the name of the lashes in the description bar in case you think they look really pretty. But yeah, of course, you don't have to do each step that I'm doing. You can definitely wear this look with only mascara. I think that will be really pretty as well. So yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more videos where I use affordable products. And yeah, I just hope this video gave you some inspiration. It's definitely an eye look that I would love to wear every day, or even for bridal makeup. I think it's so pretty and I think it will suit almost everyone. Such a flattering eye look. Using all the neutral shades, the brown eyeliner, it just makes it look really soft but still glam. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye!